The biggest misconception about our business is that people see us as specialists in individual services, rather than the comprehensive digital marketing partners we truly are. When clients first encounter us, they often categorize us into a single box. Oh, they do event photography, or they're the video production company, or yeah, they handle virtual facilitation. While we absolutely excel in each of these areas, this narrow perception misses the bigger picture of what we bring to the table. The reality is that we're strategic partners who guide businesses through their entire digital marketing journey. We don't just capture great footage at your event, we help you determine how that content fits into your broader marketing strategy, where it should live online, and how to maximize its reach and impact. We don't just produce polished videos, we craft them with SEO optimization in mind, ensuring they perform well in search results and actually drive business results. What sets us apart is our holistic approach. We take clients from initial concept and strategic planning all the way through execution and optimization and distribution. Need to develop a content calendar that aligns with your business goals? We got you covered. Want to ensure your videos rank well on search engines? That's built into our process. Looking to create a seamless virtual event experience that converts attendees into leads? We handle both the technical execution and strategic follow-up. This integrated approach means our clients don't have to coordinate between multiple vendors or even worry about whether their photographer understands their SEO goals or if their video producer knows how to optimize for social media distribution. We take care of all of it. We speak the language of both creative and excellence and digital marketing strategy, delivering comprehensive campaigns that drives real business growth from thought to final distribution. So if you're ready to get started, schedule a complimentary strategy session with me, and let's talk about your unique goals and your business. Get scheduled today.